Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 74. The table below shows the time taken by 8 runners in the race. Who is the slowest runner in the race? In the running events, those who spend less time are ranked more highly, and so we just need to find the player who took the least amount of time, and this one is the champion. And similarly, the slowest runner took the most time. The champion here is Cindy, because Cindy take the least time. So champion. And the question is asking who is the slowest runner in the race. So let's see, Henry. Henry takes 14.9 seconds to finish the race. So he is the slowest runner. And the answer here, Henry. I repeat again, in the running events, those who spend least time are ranking more highly. Just like Fernando, 13.1 seconds. He's running faster than Emma, who runs 14.6 seconds. Just like this. And so if we want to find who is the champion, and we just need to find the one who took the least amount of time. All right? And that is all for this question. Thanks for watching this video. This is TJJ. Bye-bye.